Is Italy expensive? Think again. Believe it or not, you can savor Italy on a shoestring. Many assume Italy is only for the wealthy, a land of pricey pizzas and designer sprees. Prepare to be surprised. Italy offers incredible value, especially when you travel smart. Unforgettable experiences don't require emptying your bank account. Picture yourself strolling through vibrant markets, the aroma of fresh basil and tomatoes filling the air. Imagine indulging in delicious pasta dishes for a fraction of the cost you might expect. These are just a few of the delights that await budget-conscious travelers in Italy. Get ready to discover the secrets of affordable Italian adventures. Traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences. It's about embracing the heart of Italy. By prioritizing value, you'll connect with locals, uncover hidden gems, and return home with enriching stories. You'll savor each euro, making your journey even more rewarding. Imagine sharing laughter with locals at a family-run trattoria, the taste of authentic pasta lingering on your tongue. Picture yourself exploring charming villages untouched by mass tourism, where time seems to stand still. This is the magic of budget travel in Italy. It opens doors to authentic encounters and unforgettable memories. Let's dispel the myth that Italy is only for the affluent. While luxury experiences abound, Italy welcomes travelers of all budgets. Embrace the art of savvy travel. Seek out affordable accommodations, savor local delicacies at family-run eateries, and uncover free or low-cost attractions. You'll discover a world of wonder without breaking the bank. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Italian countryside, staying in cozy guest houses or charming farm stays. Picture yourself wandering through ancient ruins, exploring magnificent cathedrals, and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere of local markets, all without spending a fortune. Italy's treasures are accessible to everyone. Section 4. Stretching your euros. Accommodations, dining, and attractions. Where you stay, what you eat, and how you explore all play a role in your budget. For accommodations, consider hostels, guest houses, or apartment rentals. These options provide comfort and local charm without the hefty price tag. When dining, embrace local trattorias and osterias. These family-run gems offer authentic Italian cuisine at reasonable prices. As for attractions, many cities offer free walking tours or discounted passes for multiple sites. Explore the cobblestone streets, soak up the history, and discover hidden piazzas, all without spending a dime. Remember, some of the best experiences in life are free. Section 5. Top 3 Italian job hacks. Travel like a local. Become a master of budget travel with these insider tips. First, embrace the aperitivo culture. Many bars offer complimentary snacks with evening drinks. Enjoy a glass of wine and savor delicious bites without breaking the bank. Second, master the art of the panino. These freshly made sandwiches, found in local shops, are a delicious and affordable lunch option. Finally, ditch the taxis and embrace public transportation. Italy boasts an efficient and affordable train network connecting major cities and charming towns. For shorter distances, walk or rent a bike. You'll save money and experience the charm of Italy like a local. Section 6. Your Italian adventure awaits. Remember, the true essence of travel lies in the experiences, not the price tag. Embrace budget-conscious travel, and you'll unlock a world of wonder in Italy. From savoring local delicacies to exploring hidden gems, your adventure awaits. Pack your bags, grab your map, and get ready to create unforgettable memories without emptying your wallet. Italy's beauty, culture, and warmth are best experienced when you embrace the art of affordable travel. So go ahead, indulge in that extra scoop of gelato, savor another glass of local wine, and lose yourself in the magic of Italy. Your adventure starts now.